Hello guys, welcome to a new video, and today I want to discuss a different strategy that has been working good for me. So I'm going to discuss everything about that strategy, how it is different from my previous ones, and how you can use that to make more money. So if you are interested, stick around, and with that, let's start. Hello guys, welcome to AD Finance. So recently I have been experimenting with a new strategy, then that has been kind of so far working good, and I just wanted to make this quick video to show you how that strategy works, what it is, how you can actually use that to make good gains over the current market condition. I'm gonna explain you in detail what I see good about this and what are the technical patterns on this, how you can actually make good use of this strategy. So with all that, let me just share my screen and I'm gonna go and explain you step by step how you can make use of this. Okay, so guys, I'm in my computer screen, and this is the stock that I was talking about. That's IWM, which is the Russell 2000 index for the small caps. And this is my strategy, right? If you see the expiration date, note the expiration dates, right? That's almost every day, 3/9, 3/10, 3/12, right? So 3/13. So I've been doing this last week continuously every day. So the change is I usually do the weekly. If you follow my other videos, most of the time I do weekly things, but this is the one that I'm doing multiple times in a week, right? Because IWM allows a lot of expiration. Almost every day they have expiration, right? And you can take advantage of this. And what I see good about, I'm gonna discuss next in my technical analysis, but this is my strategy, right? You sell a cash secured put, right? So I sold like if you see 280, right? And then I bought it back for 138. I didn't wait for the complete expiration. I saw a good move and I just bought it back. I made a quick about 150 bucks here, right? And I sold it again for 145, and then I bought it back again 46. So that's again $100. Then I sold it again 175, and then I bought it back 150. So you see the pattern here, right? And then I sold it again. So you see the pattern here that I'm keep repeating, but I'm not waiting for it to completely uh, go at the end of the expiry. I'm just closing it off with like 50 to 60% again. I'm closing it out, right? And this is working good because IWM, right? If you go to analysis for the chart right here, so if I look at this, and this is the IWM, if you look at, right, it kind of as you know, markets are kind of cooling off right now because of all the economic conditions and everything, war and everything that's going on, right? So market is not that hot that it used to be around like last year, and this year beginning till I believe Jan. So starting Jan end, the market is kind of in a downtrend. On this particular ETF, right, what I pattern I see that this is the range, right, which is like around 250 plus minus $2 or $3, right? That's the range. It's kind of hovering around, and it has a tendency of hovering around this range, right? 245 would be even better. So that 245, between 245 to 250, right? If I add, let me just add a Bollinger Band, right? Here. So if I add the Bollinger Band here, so let's see. So if you add the Bollinger Band, right, you can clearly see. So this is the very tight range here, and this is the range here, right? So if you look at here, there's the low end is about 2, mid is 262. So we are like right here, right? So it's kind of, it's gonna build it here like it built here, right? So that's what I'm trying to take advantage of right now with the everyday expiry, right? You don't have to closely follow the Bollinger Band. Your normal, just a quick tech analysis can tell you that this is the range. It's gonna be choppy, and that has a good support here, right? So that choppiness, that market that we are seeing right now, that's the part I am trying to take advantage of. Okay, so that's the big takeaway. I would say if you are interested, definitely try this strategy because this gives you good theta decay advantage, right? You open it, and then if it goes in your favor, quickly close it, right? Don't wait. Close it for 50 to 60% gain. Just close it off. Then wait for the next day, or maybe that day itself you can open a new trade again. Okay. And since it's a ETF, right, your risks are limited, right? Because it's a ETF, then obviously your risks compared to a outright stock is much less, right? ETFs, it's not like it's gonna go to zero suddenly, and even the moments are not that volatile, right? And that's less volatility, that choppiness is your friend here. So let's say you go and compare that to Tesla, right? If you get a Tesla and suddenly there is a news or anything, you could be in a difficult position because you will have that stock assigned and you never know when it's gonna go up again, so you can go back and sell covered call. So with the ETF, this makes a lot more sense. And even with this IWM, right? This moment, they are kind of, this area is gonna be choppy like this. I expect this to be choppy like this. And it's a good way to make money. So if I go back right here, I would have made easily $500-600 here just in a week, which is highly difficult to make if you just go like a weekly or monthly call, right? That will be difficult to make, right? So that's what we're gonna take advantage of here, of that theta decay, the quick theta decay, make it, book the profit, and then wait for the next move, or you can open on the same day. So yeah, guys, this was a quick video. I wanted to explain that if you are interested, if you can survive little bit of volatility and you have that money, because remember, you could get assigned too, but you always have option to sell covered call. If you are new again to all these options things, my channel, definitely I would say you subscribe. There's a lot of videos, a lot of content. Everything is completely free, and you can actually be an expert in options trading just by watching a lot of my videos. So this is a new one I'm experimenting, and I'll give you the full graphs of what my performance would be in a week or two, and let's see how that goes, right? So that was it, guys, for this video. I hope you liked it. Do subscribe, and if you like this, share this video with your friends. So that was it, guys. I hope you liked it. I'll talk to you in my next video. Till then, happy investing.